Hi, this is Sophia from Aquila Shop. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the battery for Smartkey, a Ford Smartkey 2015 Fusion. Okay, so with this yellow tool, you're gonna push this button here and pull the back right carefully, and right here on the side, you just smoothly gonna introduce this and click it out, but carefully, because you can break it. And something about this remote is that this has two batteries, right? And when you have to change them, you have to do them like back sides of it. So here it goes first. It goes the plus and then the minus in front of it. So it's gonna be two batteries of 2025. So here are my two batteries, right? And okay, so we're gonna just gonna take them out. These are two batteries. And okay, so this one, it has to still have the paper here, so you can't take that paper out. Just gotta be kind of careful with it. Okay, so here it goes. You just put this one, the plus here, first one, right, and then cover it with the paper, and then this back one here in this size, and yeah, and then just put it back again like this. You gotta close it like softly. You can't be too hard with this because they're very careful. Put the emergency key back in the back too if it falls off. And yep.